PivotWorks is the original, fast, easy, and complete solution when it comes to rebuilding a dirt bike or ATV chassis or suspension. Each PivotWorks kit comes complete with all the necessary components needed to finish the job without ordering a laundry list of parts. PivotWorks shock preload thrust bearing kits ease preload adjustment and prevent spring binding during compression, providing consistent spring action. Sealed to prevent contamination, each kit comes with 2 thrust washers, 2 O-rings, and 1 thrust bearing. Plus, with an industry-first lifetime replacement program on all the products, PivotWorks has you covered for life. That's right, if you're the original owner and your PivotWorks kit has expired as a result of ordinary wear and tear, you're covered with a free replacement. It's that simple. If you have any questions or comments, contact us at 515-402-8000 or visit our website at pivotworks.com and fill out that Contact Us form. For quality you can depend on, it's got to be PivotWorks.